Monday, and it's time for us to talk technologies. We kick off the week, and Luis Alvarez, CEO of the Alvarez Technology Group, joining us right now. Hello, Luis.
Hello, Mark. How are you?
Doing well. We've got a great story here. You picked up a couple really good ones for us this week. Let's see. Today, we've got a story here about Moderna hoping to offer new vaccines for cancer and heart disease within the next 7 years. What's going on here?
Well, one of the things that the good things that came out of the pandemic, and there weren't many good things, was the billions of dollars that were invested in kind of this super effort to create the vaccines that both Pfizer and Moderna created using mRNA, which is a completely different way of creating a vaccine than it was used for the first time to create the COVID-19 vaccine. But this technology, this messenger RNA or mRNA, promises to be a kind of a game changer for other diseases, including things like cancer, heart disease, and they're even talking about potentially having an HIV vaccine for the first time. And you think about how long we've had HIV around and that they haven't been able to develop a vaccine, but now they think they're going to have one, all within the next 5 to 7 years. So we can see some serious developments in terms of health and wellness over the course of the next few years.
Wow. So maybe we are getting closer to a way of dealing with cancer to where people wouldn't get cancer, or maybe dealing with it better when they are contracting cancer.
Exactly. I mean, imagine if all of a sudden you can take a vaccine if you're prone to a history of heart disease or your family has a history of heart disease, and you can take a vaccine and know that that's not going to be the thing that kills you. That's a game changer for a lot of people.
Then that means you can continue to eat fast food, I guess.
Exactly. And drink
meats.
Heavily. Yeah.
Some people will continue their bad behaviors, but no, it's interesting. And it is the case that when a country is faced with something very large and ominous, like existential, like a world war or this pandemic, that a lot of money goes into R&D. Those dollars end up paying dividends long afterwards. I mean, the development of the microwave oven came out of R&D money spent in World War II to be able to win the war. So it's something that we have always seen. And so this is, like you say, maybe one of the only positives that comes out of our dealing with the pandemic a few years ago. All right, that's Luis Alvarez, CEO of the Alvarez Technology Group. Online, alvareztg.com, at AlvarezTG. That's the Twitter handle. And Luis, the toll-free number for the I-Team.
Give us a call at 866-78-I-Team. That's 866-784-8326.